that's good. That's good. You don't want to blow, no blow it around. Blow that bitch. Not too much. Blow it like towards like, you know, yeah, should be alright actually. Make sure you go all the way down because it's shallow, so you're gonna have to kind of just drop it in and then wiggle the water around away from it because it will like stay. Now wiggle that shit. I pull it up quick in that clean spot. Oh shit, that looks sick! Now hold that shit up right up close to the frame. Yeah, flip it around. Ooh, that looks sick, yo. Fucking nice job. You should do the clip with the rest over. The clip with that little bit that's in there.